smile, I try to greet early dawn, but they're giving me a number for my name.